In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize cTrader platform. If you've just installed cTrader or you're refining your workspace, a quick theme and size tweak can make a huge difference in comfort and clarity. We'll keep it simple and focus on changing the color theme and adjusting the interface scale so everything looks and feels right on your screen. Start by opening the platform and directing your attention to the bottom left corner. You'll see the settings option there. Go ahead and open it. This is your control center for general appearance and behavior, and it's where we'll make the changes. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Menu labels can vary slightly by version, but the Settings button is still in that lower left area. Inside Settings, look for Application, and then select General. This section manages the overall user interface rather than chart-specific styles. Once you're in General, you'll see the option to switch between light and dark. This is the global color scheme for the entire platform. Choose the theme that suits your environment. Dark is excellent for low-light rooms or long sessions because it reduces glare and eye strain. Light can be better in bright offices or if you prefer high contrast against white backgrounds. As soon as you switch, the change applies immediately, so you can preview it in real time. If you work across multiple monitors with different brightness levels, try the theme on the screen you use most, and check that text and icons remain easy to read. Right in the same general area, you can also adjust the interface scale, which controls the size of fonts, buttons, and panels across the platform. If elements feel cramped or tiny on a high-resolution display, increase the scale to make everything more legible. If you want more information on screen at once, decrease it slightly. Small adjustments, one step at a time, tend to give the best results. After each change, glance around the platform to confirm that menus, toolbars, and dialog boxes remain sharp and that nothing feels oversized or cut off. The platform updates instantly, so you can fine-tune until it matches your preference. That's it. By visiting Settings in the bottom left, opening Application, then General, you can switch between light and dark and dial in the interface scale for comfort and clarity. Spend a moment experimenting until it feels natural. A workspace that matches your eyes and your monitor helps you focus on analysis and execution without distraction. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your customized cTrader experience.